It's that time of the month, guys. No, I don't mean that time of the month. It's MeUndies time. So I found this dope ass site that lets you get undies each month. If you don't know, I'm dope ass DJ. I find dope ass clothes, dope ass apps, games, food, and much more. So today we are checking out MeUndies. Today is the first episode and many episodes to come. I plan on trying out this subscription for 1 year, hopefully. Depending on the comfortability of the undies and how my pockets are set up this year, that will help me decide if I am going to keep the subscription for a year. I really stumbled upon this site through my credit card, really. When I did search up this site, I liked the designs that they had, and I like the subscription model base, to be honest. Also, I like that you could match with your significant other. That made me realize how sad and lonely I actually am. Single life. So my real goal here is to find me a boo that I can match undies with. Ugh. But until then, it'll just be me. So I'm gonna go over its first pair of undies, what I got, how much they cost, and how easy it is to find them. So let's check it out. What do they offer? They offer all of these.
For women, they got undies, a whole bunch, bralettes with different types of bralettes. You also can get different kinds of apparel, onesies, dressers, robes, socks. You can get the ankles, no-shows, the breathables, different kind of underwear, accessories, even matching with your dog, face mask, slippers, things like that. Swimwear, you got the swim, the onesie pieces, and then you can also do packs, so if you want to get a few. For my man, we got the undies, same boxers, briefs, jock strap, thongs, whatever you are looking for. You can also do the socks, wrap your ankles, no-shows, same over here. Apparel, grab your onesies, grab you some robes, grab your PJ set, whatever you're looking for. Even breathable underwear for the boys. I like it. You got the accessories. You can also match with your boy, your hut, your homie. You got the swim trucks, and then we also got the packs that you can grab. They have the memberships. You can build a pack, and then you also can do matching pairs. You can do the matching pairs where you can do it once or you can do it monthly.
They offer all of those. So what kind of subscriptions do they offer and pricing? So for the reoccurring packages, the only thing that they have available on the list are the men and women undies, bras and socks. This also goes for the couples matching set, so those are the only ones that you can get monthly. You can also create the men and women packs, like from 3, 6 to 10, with undies and socks. So you can put the bras and panties, but they all kind of have to be the same. That's the only thing I found. Like, you can't really have like one of each, if that makes sense. So that's only a downfall, but those are the only ones that can be on a monthly subscription base. It's time to open the package. I have not opened them yet, so you are the first to see. So about the packaging, I like how it's packaged. To be honest, I see here where like they had the design, but this whole thing took it up, like the whole ticket took it up. I mean, I feel it. No, it's not discreet, so it'll be out there. But I mean, hey, at least you got underwear. Some people don't. I mean, some people don't have any underwear, okay? Maybe wearing the same pair of underwear that they had since they was in middle school. So I had to step up my game. Hopefully this will help you step up your game. At least you get a 1 pair a month. How often do you go shopping? But undies. So let's see what we got. Straight out the pocket. Okay. They are all together. So I got a pair of socks, that match with the undies. Well, no, this is the bra. This is the bralette. Then we got the cheeky, and then I got an extra hipster. I got the On a Trip design, and I also got the buffalo plaid design. So let's take the buffalo one. I got an extra pair. I ended up getting an extra pair simply because I needed to go over my $50 limit so I can get it for free, and I also can get money back. So that was my main plan on spending, so I had to spend $50, and it was actually kind of hard. I ended up getting the bralette, this right here, for $24, right? And then I had got these for $16, the cheekies. And then I got the socks for $10, right? So I was like pretty much at the go. But the problem was, I was like myself, I decided, hey, how can I get more for my butt? And I found a discount code. So I just simply, I got a discount code on my order, and then I went to Google and was like, discount code for, I just went to discount code for MeUndies, right? Which gave me about $13 off. So I was like, bruh, I was back at like 40 bucks. So it ended me under still $50. So and I only had 3 items. So I was like, okay, bet. I'm still under 50 with 3 items. I also wanted the free shipping, so we definitely had to spend over that 50. Ended up adding on the hipster ones, which was 16, which put me over. So I basically got an extra pair for free because I was only going to do 3. I ended up spending about $56, which wasn't too bad. If you want a discount code, I got you 20% off. So if you want to do about the same thing, you can get, it's about $13. That is enough for actually an extra pair of socks. So, or you can look it up on Google like I did. How fast did these come? These came pretty quick. I placed it on the 4th. It got here on the 9th. So about 5 days. How it pretty much works for shipping is you can ship early in the month. For example, my shipping date is the 4th of January. So I can pick my selection all the way up to before then. And then if I want it to be sent off earlier, I can send it off earlier. So maybe I seen a good design and I want to check it out a little bit early. You can do that. It's pretty easy. The website is pretty easy to navigate. It shows you how to renew each month. You just go to where it says manage your membership once you have bought it, and you can choose the size and the color. They have plain too, if you just want like plain colors, or if you want designs, they got those. So I also like that you can cancel it at any time. Now let's check out the first week of MeUndies. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, these feel amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. These feel amazing. I don't know if you can see the babe. Yes, I will be ordering already. That was just the first pair. Yeah, the hipster ones. These are cute. I'm gonna try different selections just to see how they all feel. These are the smalls. They fit perfect. Let's check out number 2. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. I thought they wasn't gonna fit, but it does. I am medium. Ooh. Check the socks out. The socks are amazing, aren't they? Yes. The socks, I love how like on the top they got me on them and they're comfy, and then on the back that little hook, man, it's like you're walking on a cushion. These are pretty dope. Alright, let me change that. We're back. So for my final review on dopeness on MeUndies. First review, a 10 out of 10. Why am I giving these a 10 out of 10? Multiple reasons why I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. One, the shipping time. A1, quick, very. The website, very clear on what you're buying. Okay, if you're buying the monthly subscription or if you're buying it for the one time, right? The third thing I also like, they come right to your doorstep. I don't have to go anywhere, so that's what I like. The fourth thing, oh my gosh, it's like, first off, I don't even want to take them off. That's my problem. I didn't even want to take them off. So I'm really excited to see what this year holds, because I also found out new undie prints every month. Like, so they have it for this month, they're having the stars. And since you got this far, I'm gonna let you know, those are the ones I'm getting. I'm getting the, not the star, yeah, the stars, the fireworks, I mean. So they have the fireworks, and those are the ones I'm getting for this month. So you already know. So I'm ready to try them on. I'm ready to see what else they have in store. So for the convenience and multiple, they also have multiple options of colors, design, styles. Like, I really don't have to go anywhere. And to make it, you can match. Did I not hear you can match? I'm a sucker for matching. So that is I'm gonna go crazy, man. I'm ready to add my blue once I get a blue. The MeUndies package too. That's gonna be fire, I'm telling you. So I gave a walkthrough of the undies and I did a quick unboxing. Next month's drop may be a little faster since I won't go over the whole website. I want to answer any questions that you have about MeUndies. Just leave a comment under the video and I'll get back with it. While we're on it, drop a like. If you was feeling the new undie print, comment which one I should grab next month, and then share this with someone you want to get matching undies with. Simple. Well, I'm Dope Ass DJ, and this was a dope ass review on MeUndies. I had a great ass day, and I hope you do too. Dope Ass DJ out. See you later.